Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 4 review. Lesson 3 review. Today we're gonna talk about how to put like rock, paper, scissors shoot that I do last minute. How to do like that? First, go to basic and then click on show icon. Go tick on this one, in this one, and then go input. Select one button A and one button B, press it, go basic, go show icons, and then select this one. Here, select this one, on button B, go take show icon, select this one, here, and then and then when we look at this one, button A, button B, here, everyone. Thank you everyone for listening my video, lesson 4 review. Bye bye.